Are you looking for the most delicious but easiest way to prepare ice cream? Oh my goodness, this is absolutely delicious. And the one that I made this for, fell in love with it. Trust me, she asked for more. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where I share easy recipes. So today we are making ice cream, which I know you will love it. I have with me here my 1500 ml of whipping cream or heavy cream. So we are just going to whip this very well, and then we are good to go. Okay, thank you so much, my returning subscribers and followers, for always spending some time with me. I am so grateful. So I'll go ahead and then add my condensed milk. So with the condensed milk, I have some that does not contain a lot of sugar. Okay, I usually use that for my condensed milk candy. That is what I just added, but I will be adding another one to it which contains a lot of sugar, but I will add just smaller quantity. Now what you are seeing right now is my mango. Okay, I'll just go ahead and then add my mango. I blended about 15 pieces of mango, and that is what I am adding to that. The mango was local mango. Okay, you can use the foreign one or any type of mango of your choice. You are good to go. You just have to scrape everything from the bowl because we paid for it. We just don't want to leave anything in. Okay, so I'll continue to mix it very well, and then we are good to go. To be honest with you, this ice cream, oh my goodness, was so nice. I have been preparing it for some time now for people. Now that is my homemade evaporated milk. I usually prefer preparing everything from scratch at home myself. That makes the food or whatever thing you are preparing, you feel the original taste and then the organic taste. Yes, so that is why I always prefer doing everything at home myself. Even though I'm not done mixing everything, I stopped to taste it and see if you can feel the mango very well. I realized that it needed more mango, so I added extra 4 mangoes to it. Okay, so do it according to how you want it. Okay, and you will be fine. It doesn't mean I use 19 mangoes, so you should also use 19 mango. Now when I tasted it again, oh my goodness, now I can feel the mango. It is so good. It is very good. I will just continue with the mixing and then adding the other ingredients, and then we are good to go. So now I'm just going to use my hand mixer to mix it very well so it becomes uniform. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please follow us for more videos, and also if you want short videos, follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and then our YouTube shorts. Okay, yes, our YouTube shorts. So the recipes that we post here, we convert it into short videos which are always less than a minute or a minute duration. You will like them, so just follow us there. Okay, not everyone who will get time to watch the full video. Thank you so much. Now voila, everything is perfect. So I'm just going to use my whisk again and then go ahead and then add my evaporated milk. Okay, I'll be adding it bit by bit till I am done adding everything. The evaporated milk we used was about 2.5 cups. Okay, I just want it to be very rich. You can use milk powder if that is what you want. Okay, now we are done mixing. I added some vanilla for flavor, and oh my goodness, it smells so good. Just look at how creamy it looks. Perfect. So now I am just going to taste for the sugar again and see if it is okay. Now I realized that it wasn't enough, so I added more condensed milk. I keep on tasting for the sugar level if it is okay, but I just want to tell you that it is not the same gloves. As for the education for gloves, we will talk about that one day. Okay, when you are preparing food, I would advise you use your bare hands, clean bare hands, than using the gloves, because if you have no knowledge about the gloves or using the gloves, you may end up transferring germs to your food. You will see someone using gloves, one glove to cook from the beginning to the end. You will use it to cut meat. That is the same gloves she will use to cut vegetables and other. It is very, very risky, but we will talk about that one day. Okay, yeah. So after mixing everything, I poured it in the rubber. I'm tying it and I'll keep it in the freezer. You may ask, why are you wearing only one gloves? The reason is that I have some cuts on the other hand, which is not advisable to touch something with your bare hands that has cut. Okay, when it comes to food handling, you have to be very careful, but we will talk more about the gloves and then food handling maybe next time. Okay, yeah. Now after tying it in the rubber, we kept it in the freezer, and just look at that. The next day, it was so good. Trust me, the person fell in love with this, and oh my goodness, they asked for more, which I will be sharing the recipes with you very soon. The recipe for the evaporated milk will be uploaded on our tree channel, so please follow us there. And not for only that, but for more recipes. So I come your way next time. I love you. Take good care of yourself. You can't afford to miss the next upload. Bye bye.